Hi, so I have pushed through the Year 9 maths courses. So if you click on your course now, the very top thing will be the course outline, and it's got all the topics that we're going to be doing. Students in your class should be able to click on it and it will open up for them. So if I go into oh, never mind, I won't go into, but I'm going to just move this. So I'm going to click that and then I can move it just so that it's not right at the top of my page, and I'm going to put it down at the bottom there so that students can get it if they want to, but I have all my boxes at the top where they can see it. Now in here I have set the dates according to the end date of the week it's in. So obviously you may not have maths on that day, so you might want to have it on a different day. So all you need to do is go in there. You can modify, and so for the geometry one I suggest you do this because it is going to come up on their due work. So if it's going to be on the okay, I don't know why it's on the Tuesday. Why is it on the Tuesday? Oh, published day. So the due date, sorry. Actually, I've said it's on the Friday, and I'm happy with mine. I do actually see mine on the Friday, so but you can change it to the Thursday or whichever date it is that you've told your students that they are going to be having the test. I think I have it on Friday. I'll check, but there you go. So it'll come up on there. So then you can just go. Okay, that's the rubric that is going to be attached to it. Don't worry about that for now. We will go over that in a minute, and we can go modify, and then it should say on your students thing that that's when the test is. And then when you want to enter results, you will go into that one there. It should come up on your OLE, so you can enter the results into that place. And we can all, well, I will be able to see them all, not everyone. So I can see when you've done them. Okay, so if you have any questions about that, ask, but that's what's appeared. You might want to move it as I suggested. Don't forget you need to click this little button at the top here, and then it has that you can move. Okay, hope that all makes sense.